Full RPM here, guys. I'm looking for one lucky winner to win this beautiful 2024 BMW S1000RR with race and dynamic package, M forged wheels, quick shifter up and down, M endurance chain, a Kropovich exhaust, cruise control, and much more. So for your chance to enter to win it, head over to fullrpmeurope.squarespace.com.
I love to see when I'm in these streets, people run up on me and tell me I'm the realest in it.
I see you over there teaching, brother. You still here, Pop? Edition. What's up, Papa? I see you. Speaking. Over here. Gang. Gang, y'all. Alright. Hey, my main man. What's up, boys? Alright. Hey, baby. How you doing? We're doing too. What's up, boys? Boy time over here. What up, guys? Alright. See you, baby. He said, don't be scared. Put the rubber on the head. Let's get lost tonight. You could be my white Kate Moss tonight. Kate Moss is white,
Look at the wheels. Need a new bike? I got you covered. Enter to win this 2024 BMW S1000RR along with €5,000 for the first place winner. Join the rest at fullrpmeurope.squarespace.com.